chatting with my friend Brad Huskin the other day, and he was mentioning, Jimmy, all of these jewelry stores were started by people who realized that relationships were vital to their success. So they built relationships by changing watch batteries, by selling diamond rings, by sponsoring Little League teams. They became people's friends in the jewelry business. Well, then the business got so good that they had to hire other people to serve all the customers, to serve their friends. And right there, that is the point where the business starts to change and starts to become something that we oftentimes wish could be the way it used to be. Well, this is often the point where the business hits that glass ceiling and we get stuck wondering, how do we get to the next level? Well, where I've seen jewelry stores burst through that glass ceiling, just burst through it, is where they get the team to actually create more of those same relationships, just like you did when you were starting out in the business. In the industry, we coined the term clienteling. I just prefer to call it creating relationships. And why is this so important? Because once we've gone just a little deeper with our customers, past that transactional phase of price and carrot and clarity and all those things we can write on the back of a business card, into the relational phase, well, things just become a lot more fun. They become more profitable. They become easier, and exponential growth happens. Here's a great example. My good friend Joe Zimba, he's down at J. Anthony Jewelers in Neenah, Wisconsin. He has those types of friends. In fact, one in particular, he will call him on his way home from work and say, "Hey Joe, this is Doc. Yeah, it's Susan's birthday on Monday. I need something in a ring that she can wear on her right hand and something that'll make her sister insanely jealous. Keep it under $3,000. I'm on my way over." Well, now, okay, that's a pretty cool sale, right? That's pretty easy and fun. And you know what? Joe and his team, they know Susan. They know her finger sizes. They know her jewelry wardrobe. So when Doc drops by, they've got the perfect thing picked out and it's ready to wrap. Now, I'll bet all of you store owners have at least one customer that's like that. So how do we duplicate this relationship process? How do we make more of that happen? Well, Brad Huskin says the real goal of a sales presentation isn't to sell the item. It's to create the relationship. And then from that comes all kinds of wonderful things like repeat business, referral business, and all kinds of great things. So your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to take a good hard look at your team and their daily work environment and the processes that you've set up for them. Have you built a work environment that condones relationship building? Do they have workstations on the sales floor where they can do projects, where they can write thank you notes, where they can get on a computer and do emails and Facebook and LinkedIn, Instagram, Pinterest, you name it? Or consider this. Is your attitude as an employer a little old school? Meaning, is it conducive to your team building relationships? I get this. Many of us grew up with the mindset that you don't give them a place to sit down. You got to keep them working, keep them productive. Well, if that's your mindset, then you'll always have a team that's busy doing stuff, but not necessarily the type of stuff that builds relationships. Because that's where it's at, my friends. And I'll tell you what, millennials can sniff you out in 1 second if they've entered a store that doesn't have a relationship building environment. Building relationships, building friendships. This is the key to building a huge business. It's fun, it's more profitable, and the repeat and referrals are just, like I said, a wonderful thing. So, just like when you started out in the business, create an environment that facilitates relationship building. And you, my friend, will be one happy camper or jeweler.
Train your team.